Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can find out on your laptop if it supports a Miracast feature, which is a feature to share your laptop screen with a big TV and other wireless devices that you can do the screen mirroring with. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Windows logo icon here on the bottom left, and then just type, or you could just click in the type here to search box directly and type CMD, which is the name for the command prompt. Then you want to open the command prompt just normally, just like a normal standard user. You don't have to run the command prompt as administrator to run this command or to do this. So I would just click on open, and then you want to type the command netsh space wlan, or the wireless LAN stands for, and then space show space wireless capabilities, and then you want to hit enter. And then when you slightly scroll up, and there you would see the Miracast sync supported. So on this particular laptop that I'm working on, the Miracast feature is available, and I can just wirelessly share my laptop screen with my big TV. So again, I'm just going to clear the screen by typing CLS, and then I'm going to bring up the same command for you folks. Again, here's the command which you can run on your laptop to see if it supports the screen mirroring or not. And I'll also give the same command under the description of the video link. Okay, so that's it for today, and next time I'll come up with something else. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.